I started Reltio in 2011 because I saw a growing problem with the fragmentation and silos of data across the enterprise. Reltio provides the platform capability that allows you to stitch information together in real time and make it available as a strategic asset across your organization to drive value out of this data. Reltio is built on top of Google Cloud. We are leveraging some of the most advanced capabilities out of Google, which are capabilities like BigQuery or Spanner.
Customers want to get the best data possible, and they want to drive actions and insights from that data. And we are available through the Google Cloud Marketplace as a master data management solution that customers can subscribe to.
Reltio fills in a gap that we have in Google Cloud. A lot of times customers are going through this transformation and they come to Google Cloud to understand their customers better, provide better experiences to their customers. One of the key things that where Reltio complements BigQuery is to provide that trusted, clean data so that customers can now authoritatively make decisions to provide better experiences to their businesses and make rapid decisions for their businesses.
Some of the verticals where we have larger customer concentration is life sciences, healthcare, financial services, insurance, high-tech, retail. And in each one of these verticals, customers that we work with are relying on Reltio as the platform for managing their core data. For example, in life sciences, customers, large pharmaceutical organizations or medtech and biotech type of organizations are using us to manage all of their commercial operations data, which could include healthcare physician, healthcare organization, patient, provider type of details.
It becomes critical that there is a rapid way to be able to consolidate these data sets so you can actually run the analytics and get good results. So on that end, many of our customers are using the healthcare API to accomplish that purpose. And having integration, a deep integration with the healthcare API for Reltio makes it very much aligned with what our customers are looking for.
Healthcare organizations use Reltio as the platform to create a 360-degree view of the patient so that they can engage with them better and do so in a real-time orientation while driving better outcomes. A great example of that is a customer that we work with called Dexcom, where they are able to not only monitor the devices that are injecting glucose or diabetes type of treatment, but they're also able to handle any kind of calls and route them to the proper channel as soon as a patient tries to reach back out to them. And all of that is automated through the use of information that is being assembled and unified about the patient and the device inside the Reltio platform.
Dexcom came to us to solve some of their patient data issues. And we started with them just in the United States, deploying a platform to them to manage, match and merge, deduplicate their patient data across their entire enterprise stack. That platform and program was so successful, they've now grown that globally. And Dexcom has deployed Reltio on Google Cloud globally to help solve some of these data remediation issues.
One of my favorite things about Dexcom is they're continuing to grow and they're continuing to execute small run rate orders.
So the Google account team helped us strategically paint this vision for Dexcom of how we were going to solve their patient data challenges globally. And now we're moving into how do we leverage third-party data sets like Fitbit, Garmin, Google Health data, and bring that in to enrich the full patient profile on the Dexcom platform.
When Reltio wins customers, Google wins because that workload ends up riding on Google's infrastructure. Our relationship is one that's very deep in a lot of different areas.
We had quite a few deals go through the marketplace last year. Any deal that goes through the marketplace is going to be credited towards an FSR's quota at 50%.
So Reltio, being both a build and services partner, also qualified for DAF and PSF funding.
The relationship between Google and Reltio bears to be one of the strongest relationships our organizations could have. Reltio can become the MDM or master data management platform of choice for all Google accounts. And I think ultimately we should be. This is a strategic partnership that we see evolving over the future years, and we're very excited about what's to come.
We have a lot of plans for getting out to lots of cities, spending time with the FSRs and CEs and extended sales teams, and telling them about Reltio and how we can help their customer, talk about our industry plays that align with Google.
I would like to thank all of the Googlers for their partnership. The Google Cloud team has been a great partner in our journey. Not only is Google a customer of Reltio, but it's a true partner because we use the Google capabilities to build and run our platform and bring it to our customers.